Well, I was introduced to the Army because I was born into the Army. My father served as an Army officer, but I didn't really make the decision to join the Army until later. After, in my teenage years, I found inspiration in many of the men and women who were serving with my father.
There's a lot of things you can come out here and see and do and touch. We've got vehicles that you can climb on, climb into, see what the interior is, and talk to soldiers who work and use those vehicles on a daily basis that are experts on that platform. We've also got a lot of great simulators out here where they can test fire weapons, they can drive vehicles, they can do all sorts of things in a simulated environment that they would never ever get the opportunity to do anywhere else.
It helps us really get a feel and a grasp to the jobs and opportunities we'll get in the future, get to meet new people, see how other people have had experiences. They're doing the dog training over there, and that's really cool to see up and personal instead of like someone just telling you in like a classroom.
We want the local community to understand what an incredible opportunity service to our nation in the United States Army is about and what opportunities that provides them.
Got to talk to a few people here, and they told us their experience in the Army, and we also asked our own personal questions we had about the Army itself. We also got to do like temp-ships with them.
Thank y'all, Fort Bliss, for putting this on for us today. The kids are definitely having fun. As you can see, they're climbing all on everything, so definitely appreciate it.